What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So follow the steps in this video and you will be able to learn how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Now the first thing guys I'm going to teach you is how to archive Instagram post. You want to click on the picture or the post that you want to archive, and then you want to click three little lines in the top right. As you can see, these three little lines, click on it. Now after that it will say here archive. You want to click guys on archive. As you can see, the second option. Now as you can see, the picture will disappear from my account. Now here is exactly how you can unarchive Instagram posts. You want to click three little lines in the top right guys. After that you want to click on your activity. As you can see, it says here your activity in the second option. Now after you click guys on your activity, you want to click on archived. As you can see, it says here archived. Now after that you want to click on in the top you want to click on this and then click posts archive, and then select the picture that you have archived a few seconds ago, that we have archived a few seconds ago, and then click three little dots again in the top right, and then click on show on profile. Show on profile means unarchive. Okay, now if you notice guys, you will see that picture will appear again on your profile. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Leave a like.